Hi friends, today we are going to learn about the stainless steel crown on this mandibular primary second molar, and this will be a step-by-step demonstration. So let's begin. In the first step we are going to take the mesodistal width of this primary mandibular second molar. In the second step, we are going to select the crowns based on the mesodistal width of the tooth that we had measured. So this is size E2 of the stainless steel crown from 3M. So we will just use the mesodistal dimensions of the tooth and match up with the crown dimensions. Over here it matches perfectly. So let us look at the other sizes. Now this is E3 crown. So this crown is slightly oversized as compared to E2. Third size, that is E4. So again it is oversized crown as compared to the mesodistal width of the tooth. So this is E4. So finally we select the crown size E2. Now in the third step we are going to make sure that the crown fits in a snap fit, that is from lingual to buccal there should be a snap fit or a clicking sound that we can hear. As we can see that this crown fits snugly in a snap fit. So we usually follow the Hall's technique where we don't reduce the occlusal height of the crown. Instead we match up the crown size as per the dimensions of the tooth and we are ready to go. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.